Alright, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you a ninja hack on how to go ahead and combine all of your leads that we've been putting in your specific channel. So one of the first things you need to do is make sure that they're all in Google Sheet format. So like down here, pest control, in San Diego, you can right click, open with. Just make sure they're all opened with Google Sheets. So once they've been opened with Google Sheets, you'll have that Google Sheet file right here. Okay, so you have that Google Sheet file. So the next thing is there's a link below this video where you link right to this Google Sheets add-on called Combine Sheets. Okay, so mine is already installed. Let me go ahead and just show you real quickly. So when you have yours, you'll end up getting this. And when you're signed in, if you sign in as an admin of a G Suite account, it will say domain install or individual install. I'm just going to recommend just click on domain install. It's super easy and super fast. And that's all I did, when I originally got this tool. So just domain install, okay? Domain install. All right, so once you get that going here, you're pretty good to go. All you need to do now is open up one of your documents. So let's go do this from the start. We will open up this document here. And once it gets open, we can head over to our add-ons. And this will open up right here. You should have combined sheets. And you just hit start. Okay, as it's coming through, we definitely want that one, but what we're going to want to do is add more of our others. So we'll just go back into our drive, and we'll need to pull this stuff from wherever it is in our drive. For me, I have mine right here. In this program, remember your folder is actually on my drive, and I share it with you. So in this case, you'll need to create your own folder on your own drive. Just download it. And make sure that you can access the data. But that's pretty simple. You should be able to do that. And then just find where you have the data. I'm just using one student as an example. This is something that we will be doing for you to get going, but you really need to understand how to do it. Okay, so here's those leads. And then there's that folder that we have under, we're doing pest control on this one. And so there's all those right there already. So I've already did Boston. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to hit Command. I'm using a Mac just to click all the ones here. Right? So we've already did pest control here, San Diego, boom. And again, you'd have them all done. So remember how it has to be a Google Sheet, okay? It can't be the CSVs. Because if you remember now, we have others, right? So all of these are missing. Right? All of these are missing. So make sure that you turn them into Google Sheets, because that's what this extension picks up, is the Google Sheet, okay? So you click Add. All right, so now it's been added, and we can literally just go in and connect them, okay? That's pretty, I'm sorry, just checkbox to make sure. And then under here, how do you want to do it? Where do you want to do a new spreadsheet? And that just puts it in, custom location, if you wanted to do something like that. But, literally, you're fine here. Just hit new spreadsheet and then hit, combine. Okay? All right. So just go ahead. We'll open the new spreadsheet. And so now you can go ahead and see that, we've got a spreadsheet, and it knows the headings, so it really recognizes the headings, and it does. Look at this, 45. Look where we're going here. This is, now you've got your custom lookalike audience. Okay, so the more the better, right? The more the better. So you really want to make sure that you put as many as you possibly can, because this is not necessarily the emails that they signed up with on Facebook. So the last little trick that I'll show you, just in case, because when you save this, if you you click off it and then you're like, I don't know where it is. Okay, so one of the things, little tricks, you can just click this little here, and this will show you like where it is. So mine, it just gets stuck on my drive. Obviously, it's called new spreadsheet. I can just say this is combined pest control. So we'll reference this document again in another video following this. But combined pest control, and then you can see as I start scrolling down after I get through my folders, we'll go down here and we'll put combined pest control. So see, it's on my drive. So just so that you know where it is, because you're going to need to go find it later when we hop into the next video where we're going to upload this custom audience to our Facebook audiences. So, all right, that'll conclude this one.